In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Now tap on Device Unlocking over here and set up screen lock by clicking on screen lock at the top and picking one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or strong password. Tap on the best one, create it, hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select OK, also at the bottom right corner. Now you need to click on one of those options to answer question how do you prefer to show notification detail on the lock screen. Always show, show after unlock, or never show. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!